Kugerera ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro, bodi irugamiririe ruhonge rwa NHIF yugite ni itikaneirie kuhe murugamiriri munene Geoffrey Mwangi na Wilbert Kulgat Rutha kia hinya kurumirira cira uria ungetheire aya eri. Bodi ino ikiamura Nicodemus Odongo uria ukoretwo ari murugamiriri wa mibango na wendia kunyitirira ta murugamiriri munene. Nake Bernard Jenga uria urari murugamiriri wa mathafu akuya ithenya ria Kulgat ta murugamiriri wa kigina. Itua riri rikinyireirwo riri igoti rirekereirie Mwangi na Kulgat na bodi ya shiringi 500,000 o umwe wao thutha wa kuhingirwo thiko ithano.
The accused persons are granted bond or and bail in the following terms. 1, each accused person may be released on bond of Kenya shillings 1 million with one surety of a like sum. 2, in the alternative, each accused person may be released on bail by depositing a sum of Kenya shillings 500,000 in court as bail, and provide one contact person who should deposit a copy of his or national identity card or passport.
Maafitha aya eri mangetheirwo ni thitango ya kuria njama ya kurigiriria kihoto thutha wao kwirikana ni maregete na maratathi maria mangiteithiriria uthuthuria uria uratabanio wigie ungumania ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF. Mucirithania Francis Sandai oho ni athanite maneane passports ciao na marumirire watho wa maafitha aria marathuthuria cira uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.